Welcome to this live demo of the AIDIA Survey platform. First, log into our platform using your account. You'll be redirected to the main dashboard. To start creating a survey, just click the plus icon. First, enter your desired survey title and description. You can also explore our pre-made survey templates to get started even faster. You have the option to enable additional feedback features if you want to gather more information. And you can add a QR code that will be displayed at the bottom right of your survey. Now for the fun part. You can choose from pre-made response types, like the happy and sad face icons, or even create your own. Let's increase the size of the response type. You can also add images to your survey from your uploaded files. You can also customize the thank you message that your customer sees after responding to the survey. Let's try changing the theme. I'll go with this retro look. Next, let's add an image. Note that you can also change the image position, for example, by setting it as your background. You can even add an image, like your company logo, to the thank you message that appears after a customer responds. Once you're happy with the design, click the check icon. This takes you to the survey overview page. By default, its status is draft. To go live, click the status icon in the upper right and select Published. This generates a unique URL and a QR code that you can print and display anywhere. Now let's test it. I'll copy the URL and paste it into my browser. After a customer clicks a response, they'll see the custom thank you message. Our survey also has a built-in counter to prevent the same user from responding multiple times in a row. Let's go back and refresh the dashboard. There you go. Your first data point has arrived. On the overview page, you can check advanced insights to see what time of day you get the most responses, view daily responses by answer, and analyze trends. Our platform is also intelligent enough to detect potential abuse in your survey responses. When you're finished collecting data, you can change the survey status to completed. A new AI Insights tab will appear. Click it, and our AI will generate powerful insights for you based on the data you've gathered, giving you additional information for your decision-making. Finally, when you go back to the dashboard and click your profile icon, you can see your account details, including your total available responses and how many are remaining. And that's it. So what are you waiting for? Try our AIDIA survey now. It's the simplest way to capture real, in-the-moment feedback.